Hello, everyone, I'm Johnson. Today, we are going to learn how to create checkboxes. A checkbox is a graphical user interface element that allows users to make a binary choice, i.e., a choice between one of two possible mutually exclusive options. Let's create the prototype. First, drag a rectangle to create the checkbox box. Adjust its border color and width. Then add a selected style effect. Next, use the pen tool to draw a tick. Adjust its style and add a selected style effect. Drag a circle to create the background. Remove its border. Add a selected style effect. Let's choose a light red color. Select all the buttons, group them, and add a click interaction to toggle the selection of this. Then drag a label into the group. Change its text. Preview the prototype. Clicking the checkbox can toggle its selection state. Duplicate the group. Set it to disabled. Then add a disabled style effect to the label. Also, add a disabled style effect to the checkbox border. Duplicate the checkbox. Change the label to primary. Then adjust the selected style effect of the checkbox. Change the fill color to primary. Select the background and adjust its selected style effect. Change the color to light blue. Next, duplicate the checkbox twice. Change the labels to accent and worn. Then adjust the selected style effect of the worn checkbox border and background. Preview the prototype. When you click on each checkbox, you can toggle its selected state. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.